subscribe.
Let's get into this video!
Hi guys, it's BGH Warriors. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be showing you guys how we do our towel folding. So before we get into this video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to our channel,
And also share.
Let's get into this video. Woo! So today guys, we're going to be making two things. We're going to be making a turtle and also a swan. So for this, you're going to be needing 2 towels. Both of them should be white, but try to have any both white towels. So that's why I'm using the alternative. So first we're gonna need just lay out the towel. Just lay out the towel, on the table. Make sure it's smooth, no lumps, and it should be smooth. Then you're gonna want to fold it so that you can find the center of the towel. You're gonna roll it, but make sure when you're rolling it, it should be very tight so that the shape of the towel will show up more. And you do the same to rolling on the other side. To make it straight and not run your finger through it, just to get it straight. And I hope it is. So this is the shell of the turtle. The shell. And now we're gonna need feet. It's gonna be a bit different. You're not gonna rolling this way. Like this way. You're gonna like open it upwards like this. Don't worry about the middle part being messed up because it's not going to show up. Then take the shell of the turtle and there. Second one, we're going to be doing 2 swans, making a heart. So you're just going to be doing the same rolling technique as the turtle top. Find the center and rolling. On the other side. So this one on the other side. I'm gonna flip it back. then you're gonna do the same thing. The same technique with the other towel. Instead, you can use both the white towels. I mean, for the turtle, you can use like different colored towel because you know the turtle have different colors. But for the swan, you can use black, white, and you can also use black also. Okay, you have black swans. So then you're gonna do all of the same rolling technique. Get to the other swan and then put them against each other like this. Yeah. You can use elastic. I mean, no, you don't really have to. You can just push it down. But it's gonna stick. And there we have it. Our 2 swans falling in love. Right.